Hello everybody, welcome back. We just beat 3 Chozo ghosts and got the second Chozo artifact of 12. Which, really, it's about goddamn time, don't you think? Don't care. Don't care. This is me not caring. This is me pushing my way through. The problem is, there are more Chozo ghosts in here, too. Oh, for fuck's sake. Go in the goddamn hole! Really? Oh, I guess they don't show up until later. Which is fine by me. I mean, hell. I don't want to deal with it. Go. Thank you. I didn't get much sleep last night either, so I'm a little tetchy. I would say entirely my own fault, because I stayed up really late last night and then had to wake up relatively early this morning. But it wasn't entirely my fault. The fucking cats. One of them, well, the kitten, as though I have to say who it was a rotten little bitch earlier today. Well, this morning, while I was trying to sleep. Got up on the counter and knocked down all of my dishes that were sitting in the dryer. So, in the dish rack. Woke me right the fuck up at 6 this morning. Remember this room? Remember how much I hated this room? Actually, I didn't hate this room. I hated the shit that was in this room because it was pointless. The room itself is kind of nice, but yeah, when Samus can't go in a fucking door. I think there are a bunch of scarabs up here, but I really don't care. If you remember, there was an energy or a spider ball track up here. And it leads to a missile expansion. Not much, but you know, hey, every little bit counts. Are you serious? Oh my god. This is one of the things I think about the spider ball track. The game actually forgets how to run a spider ball track, and so you end up stuck for a period of time. It's really annoying, but it really only happens when the spider ball track is on the ground like that. This is me not caring. Also notice, because the poison is gone, I don't have to worry about walking through the water anymore. Remember how we defeated Flagra and was like, yeah, you know, all the poison cleared up. That was the benefit. Go ahead and save again. And for a third time in a row, I don't remember when I started this episode. I'm telling you, man, I'm exhausted. And then, of course, because I was awake, because the cat knocked all my dishes before, I was wide awake, and the cat was like, "Oh, you're awake. Feed me." God damn it, really? Fine, I will fucking kill you if I need to, in order to get through. Although, we do want to be on that side. Oh, no? What is it? Must be a bombable thing. Yeah. I knew we could get this early on. So yeah, we get to go back through this area here. Which, I mean, it's not that bad. I like to bitch about it, but it's really not that bad compared to other parts of the game. Thought it was. I honestly couldn't remember. Yeah, see. You need the spider ball to get through here. Oh, that's right. Okay, we gotta be quick. Yeah, I forgot about that whole mess. Fight. Oh, wait. Remember the parasites from the beginning of the game? Here are some more. Plated parasite. Hardy member of the parasite family, invulnerable to most weaponry. A cousin to the parasite, these creatures are known for their amazing resilience. Field studies suggest a weakness to morph ball-delivered weapon systems. In other words, bomb them up. Chozo lore. We haven't seen one of these in a long time. The cries of the dying land pulled us from our dreaming state, and now we Chozo walk as ghosts, while the great poison sinks into the trees and waters, devouring all life. Some creatures survive, but their forms grow as twisted and evil as the force that fell from the sky. The heart of the planet will succumb soon, and so will we, even in our ghostly states. Already many Chozo have faded and passed into the unknown. The great poison is unlike anything we have ever glimpsed in this or any dimension. It eats relentlessly, worming out life wherever it blooms and corrupting what it cannot kill. It will be our undoing. Our last hope lies in the cradle, the temple we hope might contain this abomination. It is almost complete, hovering over the impact site, the dark heart of the spreading evil. If we can finish before the last of our kind drifts into madness or death, there is a chance for this world. If we fail, we are doomed with it. Oh, I thought... Okay, we can't destroy this without the power bomb, can we? Yeah, but there's the portion of the fort here is weak. There's a half pipe right there. Am I going the right way? I think I'm going the right way. First, I'm going to check around and make sure I haven't missed any more lore. Because, yeah, we're back in the friggin' Chozo ruins. Of course there's lore. But I don't think there's any more. So from here, if I remember correctly, we go into the Chamber of the Elders. Crossway access west. Well, clearly I was wrong. But now we're at a waypoint door. Oh. Okay, here's the crossway. That's an ice beam door. I'm pretty sure. So this kind of room here, actually, you know what? I think we're over 10 minutes again. I'm going to go ahead and stop the episode here. Next time on Schizoid Gaming, hopefully I'm going to have a better grasp of how long each episode is. but also we're gonna go through this crossway. It's really cool. But until then, I will see you guys later.